Meaning of frisson.
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 Frisson. Frisson refers to a sudden and intense feeling of excitement, thrill or shiver that runs through one's body as a result of an unexpected, surprising or emotionally charged event. This feeling can be triggered by various sources such as music, literature, movies, art, or even personal experiences. It is often described as a pleasurable sensation that can be difficult to put into words. Frisson is a physical, emotional, and psychological response that is associated with feelings of pleasure, awe, wonder, and inspiration. It is a unique and powerful experience that can leave a lasting impression on the individual who experiences it.